Hello guys, so it's the 3rd of July and we went and bought some fireworks, and I just I put together like a little compilation of all the good ones. Bye. Yeah, enjoy please, and like and subscribe if you want more like this. And yeah, bye. See you. Yeah, enjoy the video. Stand back.
Why? Oh, is this a big one?
I'm warning you.
What's that, Kevin?
Ah!
It's been a great show.
Yeah, great show, boys.
Sit, Celeste, slow. Final. The one. The only.
Oh,
Yay!
that was so cool. That was
That's Ryron Star. That's what I'm gonna name it. Yo.
wow. That one was cool. Ah! Oh my heck. Oh. Ah.
Whoa!
Oh.
That was the
That's
best.
so cool. Oh, whoa. Holy smokes. How much was that one? How much
That was sweet.
How much was that one? Wes?
I don't remember.
What was that one called?
Space rocks.
It was called what? Space Rocks.
Oh, they do the same one.
No, watch us.
Copy this.
Absolutely. Right, don't kick the wood chip.
Oh, cool.
Oh, here it comes. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
like 3 minutes later. Jeez, wow. But the other ones were Roman candles.
No, those are more like sparklers. Come on, Roman candles. What's going on?
Blake doesn't have a light.
Are there fuses or no? There we go. They're supposed to explode, aren't they?
I think that's what it does.
Oh, that's it. Good job, Rye. Well, if Bryce doesn't have a bike, so you think he'd be open to riding his dirt bike?
Oh, his other bike that you ride?
Is that Smoke Bomb? I like Smoke Bomb.
Oh, jeez. All right.
Aren't these Roman candles? Yeah. Aren't they supposed to shoot stuff?
They will in a little bit.
Maybe it takes a minute.
Yeah, just keep pointing it.
I wonder if they're real Roman candles or just like glorified sparklers.
Oh, weird.
I don't think they're supposed to do that.
Oh. Oh. Jeez. Watch out, Rye. Is that it? Watch out, Rye.
Are these crackers? Oh, I swear something hit the top of my head.
Give it.
Oh, geez. Wesley, why did you say it was a chill one?
Hey, what about that 200? Oh. Right, you gotta light it. You didn't light it.
Use the torch. Okay, there you go. That's cool, changes colors. That's pretty cool. And then green. Ah!
Whoa!
That was it.
Wait, better give that one a few seconds. It's still smoking.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Should we, I think this one's going very dark.
Oh wow, that's cool, right? What are you gonna grab, Wes? Hold on, just wait for Dad. Oh! My heck! Got you. Oh my heck.
Do you think it's going to take off?
Maybe.
Come on, you're supposed to fly up in the air.
It burned. It crashed and burned, right? Chopper crashed and burned.
Should have like taken off in the air.